Hey, so I recently attended the MEDiSURG training on the Constellation units, and I found it extremely helpful and beneficial. It's going to allow me to expand my knowledge as a technician, how to support these systems and not rely on OEM, support. I felt perfectly comfortable leaving that training and going back to my facility and performing the PMs and performing, minor technical fixes and everything. And MEDiSURG is always available for things that I either didn't learn in class or things that I forgot. So overall, it was a great experience, and I'd recommend it to anybody that is looking to get trained on these.